If you're seeing Epic Games error code 200_010, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into the launcher and back into your game as quickly as possible. This issue is often caused by a corrupted game file, a permissions problem, a network conflict, or a bad launcher cache, so we're going to tackle each one in the right order. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, we're going to verify your game files because this is usually the most effective fix for error code 200_0110. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. Epic Games will now scan your installation and check every file against the official version. If anything is missing, damaged, or out of place, the launcher will automatically repair it for you. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let the process finish completely before moving on. Once it's done, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If you still get the same error, the next step is to run the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. Sometimes Windows blocks certain permissions and that can stop the launcher from connecting properly or loading files the way it should. To do this, close the launcher completely first. Then locate your Epic Games shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now reopen Epic Games Launcher and try again. Running as administrator gives the launcher the elevated access it may need to work without being interrupted by system restrictions. Next, make sure you disable any VPN or proxy service you may be using. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games server connections and cause launch or login errors, including 200_010. If you have a VPN active, turn it off completely and restart the launcher. If you use a proxy, disable that too for the moment. After that, try signing in and loading your game again. Even if your VPN usually works fine for other apps, it may still conflict with Epic's connection process, so testing without it is an important troubleshooting step. Now let's clear the Epic Games launcher cache because a damaged cache can also trigger this type of issue. To do that, fully close the launcher if it's still running. Then open File Explorer and go to the Epic Games launcher cache location. Look for the Webcache folder and delete it. If you see more than one cache folder or a similar Webcache variant, remove the cache files related to the launcher as well. Don't worry, this does not delete your games. It simply clears temporary data so Epic can rebuild fresh files the next time it starts. After deleting the cache, restart your computer if possible, then open the launcher again and test the game. If you've done all of that and the error is still showing, go back and repeat the steps once more in order, especially the verification process and the cache reset. A lot of the time, one of these fixes solves the issue immediately, but if not, the problem may be related to a temporary server issue or a deeper system setting. At that point, checking Epic Games' support page for launcher troubleshooting can also help confirm whether there's a broader connection problem, and that's it. You now know how to fix Epic Games error code 200_010 using the most reliable troubleshooting steps. Verify your game files, run the launcher as administrator, disable VPN or proxy tools, and clear the launcher cache. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more fixes like this, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.